Ito si Olsen Rosella. Dondon Ontiveros. McCaskill can hit it from there. Pero wide left ng kanyang tira. The rebound taken by the point guard Arboleda. Looks ahead. Walang mapasan. Mabilis mo ba ang white shirts? Homer set. Go to Gary David. They're looking for Steven Thomas.
Kasi malusutan man ni Steven Thomas si Peña. Doon nag-aabang ito si McCaskill. But Homer set, sabi niya, hindi naman lulusot. Pwede naman akong tumira sa labas.
Kasi yun na nga sabi mo, diba? Interior defense is solid. So tiniraan ni Homer sa labas. And he makes it nothing but net. Kaya sabi nga natin, lahat ng bagong aspect ng game ni Homer has been focused here in this conference. Dorian Peña picking it up on the other side of the basket. An easy two para kay Dorian Peña.
Nawala si Homer sa that time. Alam mo, initinong natin, ito sila Canaleta at si Arvin Santos to open up this tight defense ng Air 21.
And ang dikit sila, especially Gary David, because they know this guy can explode. The steal from Dondon is a 3-on-1. Rendell De Ocampo, what can he do to stop it? Nothing. And Magnolia stretches the lead to 8 points here in the first quarter. 5:19 remaining. A timeout from Air 21. Magbabalik po kami.
Mapa-call, mapa-text, special ako dito.
Dito lang yung angat palagi.
At sa kada load ko, may rewards pa. Nakaka-earn ako ng points for free texts at may discounts pa. Angat na angat talaga ako sa iba. Dito na kung saan huling-huli ang saya.
We're back at the Inares Center. We have a report from Magu Marjon on the import of Air 21, Steven Thomas.
Charlie, nakausap natin si Coach Bo Perasol about etong si Steve Thomas and what he brings to the Air 21 Express. At hindi nga daw yung numbers lang yan, sabi ni Coach Bo Perasol. Eto daw si Steve Thomas, dinadala sa kanila yung rebounding prowess niya and yung kanyang defensive presence on Amal McCaskill. Dinagdag pa ni Coach Bo Perasol na he expects Thomas to lead the charge once again in trying to limit what Magnolia wants to do, which is transition offense, their wingman exploding, and second chance points. Ang problema lang, in the first 6 minutes of this ball game, nakakita na tayo ng ilang pass break, meron na rin putback at yung wingman ng Magnolia pumutok na. Tignan natin kung magising na etong the rest of the Express kung mapipigilan nila Magnolia.
Ayun na nga, ito si Steven Thomas, as I said earlier, still scoreless after more than 6 minutes gone by dito sa ating first quarter. Pero maaga pa naman. And it's just an 8-point lead very early in this ball game. And the ball is with Air 21. They're trying to bring the gap a bit closer dito sa play na ito. Steven Thomas to Winnie.
So hindi pa masyadong panic button yung pinunta ng timeout lang. Hindi naman nagpalit ng personnel on the hardwood
Wow. Homer Se to De Ocampo. Gary David, 2 seconds of the shot clock. Have to take it. Doesn't make it, but they get it back once again. So ilang beses na yung offensive rebounds na yan. Second chance points, and Gary David gets a basket.
Finally, Gary David is on the scoreboard.
Oo. Inantay nila yan. And yung si Gary David, once he scores, pwedeng tuloy-tuloy na yan. And that's exactly what Coach Bo Perasol is hoping for dito. McCaskill, Duracela, he's open from 3.
Oh, bukas na bukas
He sets. He took it. Wala yung kanyang tira. In and out. Parang nagulat siya. Masyado siyang open
Kaya
doon.
nag-hesitate siya. Nawala yung rhythm
Homer set. Natapik from behind yung ball. It goes out of bounds. And the ball goes the other way. Smart to our referee.
Teka muna. Ano sabi ng kabilang referee?
The referees look at each other, but the ball goes back to the Beverage Masters.
Walang tapik Ano ba to?
The referees are conferring, in fact. Tingnan nila ano ba nangyari rito.
Warning on the Air 21
And Air 21 is given a warning for delaying the game. So the ball does go to the white shirts dun sa tapik palabas na yon. And apparently it hit an Air 21 Express player before going out. So ito na naman ang Magnolia Beverage Masters umaatake. Dorian Peña, too far from his comfort zone. They go down to McCaskill. McCaskill sees a smaller opponent. Tries to take a reverse, but Steven Thomas, of course, the intimidation factor on the other side of the basket.
Kahit na walang statistics na naitala doon, yung presence lang talaga.
Arboleda. Talagang they're trying to go to Thomas pero tight guard din talaga ni Dorian
Oo,
Peña.
ang laki kasi ni Peña, ikutan pa niya yan. Parang pader. Ang hirap tibagin. Pero sabi ni Thomas, titik-tikin lang kita ng titik-tikin.
Yun na nga nangyari doon.
Bibigay ka rin.
Tsaka he went over him on that play instead of
Oo.
trying to go through him. Kaya pasok naman ang hook shot ni Steven Thomas. And we know he has that shot. Tugarev's 3 attempt doesn't go. Thomas for the power rebound. Eto si Arboleda trying to push it up. Pero ang bilis ng transition defense ngayon ng Magnolia.
Again, the same play. Thomas, this time it takes it strong, ano?
Oo, at the quick move, Dorian Peña. A split second too late. Natawagan ng foul si Dorian Peña. Nasa linya ngayon si Steven Thomas for 2 free throws. Trying to cut his lead down to just 2.
19-15 is the tally. 3 minutes and 12. First free throw ni Thomas Salay. Mabalik na natin. Ildefonso for Peña. Pingris for Tugade. At si Homer C. pinuntahan ni Papay.
Oh, si Irwin Santos nasa game na rin. Gary David umupo na. So 2 substitutions each para sa magkabilang team dito. And no, 0 of 2 from the line. Very uncharacteristic of Steven Thomas. Jose Ontiveros. Nowhere. Who's gonna get to it first? And Espinas and Ildefonso ran to that ball. And the last touch.
Teka muna, kayong dalawa. Up.
Ito mga referees from the different angles. The call is reversed.
Yung chief referee.
And there's some confusion on the court. And the players are being asked to return to the respective benches after yung tapik palabas na yon. At there's a timeout called on the floor at the 2:53 mark of the first quarter.
Pare, ano yan?
Ito? Alam mo naman, pag big time ka na, ang dami nang tumatawag. Kaya I have 2 phones. Hello? Tapos gadgets pa.
Ito, isa lang ang kailangan ko. Dual SIM to eh. I can use 2 SIMs at the same time. Pwede rin ng wireless landline dito. Tsaka, ito nila ng organizer ko. Hello? Oh.
Abot naman. Hello?
Oh.
Hello?
Oh.
Dito po tayo sa Inaris Center for game number 3 of Magnolia and Air 21. We turn it over to Joy De La Rey to report on Dondon Ontiveros.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Kanina po ay nakapanayam natin si Dondon Ontiveros at sabi niya, basta may oras gusto niya po, siya ang nagsusundo sa kanyang anak na si Isaiah. At alam niyo ba na handa na pong mag-date itong si Dondon. At talaga naman ang feeling niya raw sa kanyang first date sa mystery girl na ito na talagang wawawi daw ang feeling dahil talagang kinakabahan pa siya. At papalitaan niya tayo pag talagang sila na raw po. Yan muna aking report tungkol kay Dondon Ontiveros.
Ayun na nga, Dondon Ontiveros. Ayan ang mga off-court activities niya here on the court so far. He has yet to make a basket. And here he is tapping the ball to himself, taking a quick three-pointer. Wala yung kanyang tira.
Kasi naman laro to. Dito pinag-uusapan. No?
Oo, Espinas losing the ball.
Na-conscious tuloy.
Here's Mark Pingris. He goes to Dondon. 0 for 2 from the three-point area. McCaskill gets the offensive rebound. Mark Pingris.
Aha.
Diba kung may Mr. Pure Energy naman yung Air 21,